All right, so I'm gonna start with a fresh freesia card base that is 11 by 4¼ scored at 5½, folded in half. And I am going to adhere the polka dot freesia designer series paper to the back. And I'm gonna adhere this paper to a piece of 4 by 5¼ rich razzleberry. The designer series papers are 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then I'm going to use the framed florets dies to cut an oval out of the middle. But first, let's adhere these down. I just love this paper. It's so pretty. I love flowers and I love watercoloring. So this just fits the bill for me. And I predict that this designer series paper is going to be very popular. Okay, so now I'm going to use the new. All right, now I'm going to use shimmery white cardstock along with markers to create a watercolor look on the flowers. So I'm just going to color all the leaves and stems with Old Olive and then add colors to all the flowers. So I cut out this oval using the All That dies. When you purchase the Dainty Delight bundle, I am offering a free card kit, which includes supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. So go use my current host code to order and email me and let me know that you would like this Dainty Delight kit and I will send it right out to you.